Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called QuickBlox and this is the best chatting and video calling software. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards onto this platform. So make sure to give it a try to that. Now here on QuickBlox you can see various different features. The first thing is you are going to be creating an app and you are going to be getting the option for that on the main page when you sign in. So currently I'm signed into my account. On the top left side of your screen, or I'm sorry, but on the top right side you can see your API keys, and using this you can integrate various different softwares as well. In the settings you can customize your settings, like for example your session tokens, your in activity lifetime, and much more. So if we head back to general, you can see your application credentials, your account credentials. So basically this is all of the developers type of details that you are going to be modifying for your chat system. So you can see on the left side we have our chats. So here you can create a new dialogue and add a name, photo, and your type to create a chat session. Below we have Smart Chat Assistant, and if you want to create that you can click on create. This will be of course using the AI to help you with the chatting system that you want to integrate. You have your content, you can upload any type of content online, so click on this upload option and choose from your local storage. You can do that. Simply click on browse and upload whatever you would like. You also have your custom. Here you can integrate your custom settings, like for example to start using custom objects module you should create your own data schema. So that is something that you should keep in mind. Now let's assume that you are not sure about the platform. You can head over to G2 and you can see all 5-star reviews about the platform. Best SDK for chatting, private or group, and video calling without notifications. So simple and easy. Great experience from QuickBlox team. So yeah, make sure to give it a try using the link in the description, using which you can get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.